Mr. Official, sir, our second event was the mat race. Can you tell me in the order, first, second, third, fourth, how did that race go? First place went to? Go for them.
Yes, I went.
Second place went to?
Some bright person and that team up here.
Yeah, oh, so we're very bright persons on Go for them. Second place went to Killer Squad. Third place went to Everything Dead, and fourth place. Okay, so both said is actually third place and Go for them. Alright, hold on. So Nicole, you are the person who participated in the mat race.
Yes, that was me.
The problems, were they difficult?
Oh no, easy. I went back to school 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, worked perfect.
So it wasn't a problem for you?
No.
When it seemed to be a problem for everybody else?
Oh, I tell you boy, it was easy maths.
Okay.
Explain something to them. Yeah. Because everybody else get 3 months.
4 people.
We get 4. They give me 4 people. You check.
4 people.
So when you realize that I say, hold on now. Over 4 me have everybody else have 3.
Yeah.
I'm going to treat them right.
It do right.
You understand? So them try rob with.
Yeah.
We are winning.
Yeah.
When sugar put up on the 4th paper. I try to pick up the 4th paper.
Yeah.
I said, I want to read. I said, oh, 3 paper them have and me have 4.
I'm making art.
I'm going to match them right. Hey, I count music, so I'm going to match them right.
So you are crying foul?
No, I cry chicken, I cry pork, I cry everything. We want justice.
Okay. It will be looked into. It will be looked into,
man.
like how we're looking into the Mocha Fest event.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Go
I
again.
don't only spend time on 3. All the
No,
four
start from top.
Huh? You get 4. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. I only spend time on 3 number. All the time spent on the 4 one make you lose. Only. You have to stop it. You have to stop it.
Me really need to know if a one little piece of bubble gum make you gain too much confidence. You understand me? I say.
What pass?
You see for that?
At the maths problem with the pod.
I want 6 bubble gum.
6.
Yeah.
For gain confidence.
Yeah. Come in and understand.
Okay, so Miss Brissett, you were the one that
I was the one
did
that
the
been sent out there to do the maths problem.
maths problem. So you guys came third.
No, based on what who come third, not them.
No, you.
Or we? No, we come fourth.
One of the maths question.
Yeah, we come fourth because
There's so much to come forward.
two we get wrong, sis, then we get 1 wrong. That's why. Let me tell you. You see, because me half blind, you see the plus and the minus, but see plus and run through. So when you have to start over, you know, time short and whatever. So, but I said, listen, it's all in the game of fun. I had fun.
Yeah. You never call for me.
For a maths genius,
Yes.
I don't understand how Bossed came in third because Angela got everything wrong on the paper.
Exactly.
So she must have she must be sleeping with the official. I don't even trust the referee now because he can't everything. She get everything wrong.
But you can check it out. Well enough. Even the fact that you go over there to interview last place, sorry, 4th, before you interview the 3rd place,
Yes.
shows them really can't count because it's 1st, 2nd, 3rd, then 4th.
I was told that they came
Yeah,
third.
but that means them still can't read the maths right then.
Yeah.
I got a pen that wasn't working. So when I reached at the table, I started flashing the pen. That's the first thing.
She had to call me for help to help.
The next thing is the math. I don't know who write it, but some of the plus look like minus. I had to go over after I was finished. That is what happened, and I think I was just short of 5 for the answer. And the referee knew it was a simple mistake, and still, but I would have came in first.
Exactly.
That would have came in first.
I really needed to look into Bubbles and the referee. I feel
Yes.
something in there.
By myself, they said that they don't trust the ref. Or they could say something like that. They said they don't.
The ref, alright, so the ref said Pink Bass allegations are wrong because he's sitting by himself in no consort with people. At this time, we're moving over to the math problem. On your mark, set, go! We're now looking at the sack race. Alright? So the sack race was won by team.
No, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Killer Squad came first. Second was? Second was Buffett. Third place was Bossed. And then hold on.
And then you need to see the person, the team who came last. You need to look at that lady face.
That came last. Okay, we will get to that right. Alright. Was there a specific method that this team used to win the sack race?
Yes.
What was the method?
Froggy. You need to listen to his background story. It's amazing.
Okay.
You know, say, DB did go on a look at thing and money that run and them thing, but you know, you get it from foreign. So the bag with them days are what kind of bag?
Crocus.
Yeah, so you don't know it, but me have to bounce with that bag there, so it is easy for me, because regular them give me them crocus bag there for carry. Poor people, we're out here. Get out here.
Okay, so 5, you're the one that participated in the sack race. What did you do wrong?
Let me tell you what going. Me tell you what going. Me don't know who give out the bag them, but them give 5 a bag with short to me.
You're a liar.
Listen to me. So, if she a jump in the bag, she hardly can move. So when cover and bag the wheel.
Lies.
Dog, bag the wheel. So all you need to do is just do this. Stay she know when I don't talk. Oh man. Stay she know. Before the finish line, which was the craft the finish line, she stopped right there, so I'm good diplomatus. Lady, you're not craft the finish line yet.
Third place. And wow. You guys actually got a third place.
Yes, we actually got a third place.
You're disrespect with?
Yeah.
So you're disrespecting us? You came to our table and started to disrespect us?
No, I'm happy for you actually.
Okay.
So who jumped in the sack?
None other than Mr. Shop Boss.
Hey, my therapist teach me to use my mind and black out all the negativity. So, whoos.
Yeah.
Alright, what a style.
What was the method that you used that you think you could have changed to actually win that race and not come third?
Well, I made them trick me into taking my shoe off. You understand? They were comfortable, you know, doing the barefoot thing, you know.
Yeah.
But my mind was telling me, when you jump, you're gonna jump on stones. And you see, because I just came down from Fari, why?
Yo, man.
I just forward in from Fari. You understand? Yes, and my feet are kind of tender. So the plan that I had and changed, yeah, it went against me.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
But I have to big up my auntie because without her pushing me, you know, and building up my confidence without bubblegum, yeah, I was able to overcome and take third place.
First of all, shopping need to go up in a truck. Secondly, the bag was a malfunction bag because TSA food couldn't go in the bag good. So everybody going in the bag RS when she hold it yesterday start drop. 5 get the worst bag out of every one of them so she can lose. Bad men in your soul.
You never get the bag from 5?
You get the bag from 5.
Okay, hold on. So the question I want to ask, I would like you to explain the following clip. Okay, so Stacey, yes. Jamaica wants to know what was going through their mind at that moment.
First of all, them said the race is going to start with we out of the bag. So that's the first thing. I'm wearing nails. So I could not go in the bag as quickly as them. That's the first sabotage. The second one, when I was, I didn't hear when the referee said go. Because I have an hearing problem and the music was loud. So by the time I heard go, everybody was halfway there.
That's true.
Yes, so, you know, when I was jumping, I was just in a different world. Trying to reach the finish line, and then when I look, I see that them reach before me.
So who exactly were you annoyed with? Was it the fact that you didn't hear, the music was loud, or that the referee didn't say? So it's a collection of things.
Yes, it's a collection of things. I didn't hear, and the bag was too short, and my nails are long, so I couldn't get in the bag as quickly as them.
And next thing I need to add to that, because the reason why I pray the referee and the official, me give my piece of food, and I tell him to Stacey now go make it cross the line. And see, Stacey now make it cross the line, and I tell him man 15 pints me need for that match, you know. And 5 pints the man give me, you know. So you see, say the referee a thief, because whenever they get my pints, I will still get 5 pints. But me give him an extra piece of food, and we don't get my 15 pints, brother. So the referee a thief. Stacey never cross the line, so we shouldn't get no pints, so you know him piece of food. We run piece of food.
Every minute them are talking about last. And The minute them have a problem, pay commotion and who not do this and who them have all type of excuse. You see them come last. Manage it. But that's how we take it gracefully.
Okay.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, watch it now. We'll go back to the stock race. We don't talk about the back. Who build the sports there? More than tell me who build the sports there. 5 build the sports there. Watch her side.
Who get the bag then?
Who get the bag them? 5. So she have all of the bag them for the right level. Look for me. So if me just on a DB skinny so, and me drop a bag, it can't go far. But if 5 drop a bag and it stop at one place, I know my fault that. But of course it's my fault that. I got to make the suggestion. So bag them just fit me a certain way. You see me? Probably have a feelings for her.
See?
Talk about bag like that.
Come on, compete, don't complain.
How did you feel?
Great, you know? Yeah. I'm just coming from China.
So, the swim race, sir. What was the order of the swim race? The winning team was team Everything Dead. And then Bust Them Head came second. And third was Go For Them. And then Killer Squad was fourth. Okay. Sir, take it from me, please. What did you notice, sir?
Yes, I noticed that we have all different size of fish in that race.
Oh, no, the kid never that.
John, no, brother, just hope so nobody na hear you. Mark! No! You have to go next door, you know, brother. You can't turn up right there, so. Finn! Dolphin boy! Dolphin man! Patrick Starfish.
We're starting with the winner of the swimming race.
The winner. No fish, no over here, sir. That's
Right.
first.
The winner of the swimming race.
The winner of the swimming race.
So the question that Jamaica wants to know, have you ever swam professionally?
No, I have never swam professionally. I actually used to do swimming lessons at the YMCA.
Okay.
I actually haven't swum in years, actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, I would like to add that I was in last place in the race, and I had to build from the inner muscle to overcome all adversity, to come first. You have to know how to work out and swim it out. No fish over here. What I shall say?
There's no fish over here.
I was rooting for Alex all this time. I knew it.
Yes, after saying the husband to come last, and that's not make it.
You say
alright.
when the fish was in that race, you have to go for them, you know. Because when the go for them was in the water, I hear the whole go for them crew be like, watch fish! Watch fish! So you have to go for the fish then. Go for the fish then.
Oh, Shot Boss.
Mr. Alex win by a finger tick.
No, Shappy, you were born on an island. You spent some time overseas, came back, and you were living in Hanover for a while. And you're somebody who always talk about the joys of going to the river and holding a proper swim. What went wrong in this race?
Alright.
Because a number of persons was rooting on you.
Yeah, man, watch your style. You see, when you go up against guys like, and you notice me say, guys, look at them, man, guys like Alex. Listen to what I said a while ago, you know. I want to notice my choice of words, you know. Guys like Alex. Because when you swim against guys like that, you know, it's not one, you know, you swim against one man and pull one another man. So what a style, yeah? And that's why it's a fingertip in you. You understand?
Let me tell you something. I'm grateful for our second and our third and all of these things. But some of them jump off into the water and I'll turn around and I'll backstroke, perfect fish.
Backstroke?
Backstroke.
We will have to find out who was doing a backstroke.
I can't verify it, you know. Yeah, man, I can't verify. I don't tell me a bad boy, I mean, I can't.
Them around for this. Yo, over here. Look like fish. Yo, in a field for me, yo. Yo, you look like some big whale. And you are hard to fish. How well did I swim? You're boom. You're doctor. You're here. They done that I take on the race. Everybody steals somebody, man. Bend over. I'm in the pan that. Somebody go pan and your mark. Head. I'm the kind of fruit on the pass. Blood. Start. So, listen to what I'm going on. Me forward third night race. And if a second is the who forward second, a fish. A fish.
It's also a fish.
Goodbye, Sakaway. Listen, the reason being why everything that team win, first thing first, when they said this water, everybody with them foot, with up themselves, do a little thing. When them teammate come out, that is Alex, say what taste the water, just to chuck off alone, no say, them team are going to intimidate everybody team. Yes? That's what he did. And they let my team force it. I've said no, man. I have to give them the confidence and say, don't do that. You might come in third. I was second place. Third.
longest part when you say which race next. Swimming, who first to cut them clothes? And them all a mustache, the shoulder.
That one over there.
First, take off your clothes and ready and test for the Bakar and a mustache. It's too well done, the big guns themselves, sir. Say you at the back?
The first.
We are reach.
The first and the
Just look
last.
at she first ready. How you feel?
Ladies and gentlemen, right here we have the Dr. Fish.
But here we tell you something. First of all, she's a female. Go up against 3 fish. Right? So you had a Hulk fish, then you had a skinny fish, and you have a sprat. Right? Now, first of all, the Hulk fish are 2 people in one. So she just couldn't win. She was outnumbered. Yes, she couldn't win. She just couldn't win. But here what? It was strategy. Yeah. You understand? Because we know such Chuck, me couldn't do it. Me couldn't do it. I was saying, let's take the 4th place there because we know we're going to finish stronger than the rest of things.
It's not say me.
You can't win everything. So we're good with the 4th place.
Yes, it's not say me could
and at least we finished the race.
Me wouldn't do it. Me wouldn't do it. You know why
we not have no fishing and no
yeah, because after we stay saying that, and the team say, them a pick who for, you see me, do the swimming part and thing. And I say, you know, say, DB can take on a challenge, Jacka. You don't know what the dog is. And then, dog paddle, brother. Dog, you see me, can swim and then look at things, some say me I try to fight to that. But you see them go start say them a train and test the water.
I was saying back.
And me just hear one voice say, what's fish? I say, no, DB, what's this? Jesus! Somebody help me! Jesus!
You already know what it's like.
Like say yo, because it's like them forgot to mean them big pal.
Exactly.
And me rise up the thing them because they were going like them man take man thing up. Brother, in the 3-legged race, them a try sabotage. You know what name test for him? The man fling water in a goody face. Look on goody face right now. You don't know where you get that dirty water. The dirty water face break out. I made the girl drop, but we still win the race. I let them can't get out of the race.
I would like to ask the 2 people who competed, what was the strategy that you employed to win this 3-legged race?
Okay. Teamwork. Right question for the first place to be like, teamwork. We said to ourselves, okay, then since we have we leg them time together, we move with the other leg first and skip with that one. So that's how we did throw the race and we came into first.
And that's why we use the 2
Yeah, it's all about unity in the community.
See, you know when you have marathons and things and sun hot, people need to be refreshed.
Yes.
I was merely helping out Stacey. So they'll show some water for her to refresh her. You understand? Because she look like she was dehydrated. So, me don't know what I'm complaining about. It was a balloon, a water balloon. Just rehydrate her. We are trying to help her. I think that actually helped her. Because them stumbled across the line and win. Them beat you by a toenail.
Okay. Third place here. Who were the persons who competed? What happened in the three-legged race with you guys?
Never work out one time. Not at all. So here was.
So was there a coordination problem in terms of moving the leg that is tied?
Not really, because our technique was to hop on one foot while the next one that is tied together stayed in the air, which it was working, but you know.
Sorry, I'm not gonna drop you.
So yeah, but
that's why they win. The rest of the team never up, so that's why they.
But it's not a hop race.
Me and somebody put them now. This true me always run from police. And they tie up something and work with me. We decide to do leave it.
Three-legged race. The two contestants were.
Me and Shell.
What technique did you employ?
Alright, listen, first thing we was noting, because one, I was supposed to do the race. Me and being issues to tell everybody that, so I wasn't supposed to do the race. It was sisters who was supposed to do the race. However, they said they could not. They couldn't manage. So me just jump in. Every time I tell her move the inside first, she step on it. So
I mean the day I try plan one life with telephone, you know.
So I jumped in and we tried. We tried.
Everything dead. Everything dead. to speak about the waterlog race where a couple of things happened. Shappy say one start.
Yeah, I have something to say afterwards.
Hey, you see me? Me is an honest man. I'm a born again Christian. Me can say that in the on paper. See, I'm a decide, so I'm not going to do no type of cheating, especially with holy water. You understand me? I say, I'm see some man have all water in the mouth and spitting at the bucket, you know.
And bottles.
So hold on. Who squeal I immediately?
There you go.
That was a strategy.
Yes.
There was no rule that said we couldn't fill up a mouth when we get the water. There was no rule.
Bucket.
So there's a full bucket. So we go down there and get a cup.
Yeah.
Drink some of the and fill up a mouth with some of the water and then fill the cup again. And come and fill the bucket.
Yeah.
What they must talk about the born again Christian riot them over there, so. Them have a teammate who, when everybody is paying attention to, who is catching the water, she use a buckle and I full of them bucket. That's why the racing have to stop. So, because they were losing so much. She said one. Get buckle and I full up the drum. I full up the bucket when everybody down there start trying to win. Thief!
Hold on. Isn't this the same person who was accusatory to us, accusation of this team over here of stealing, of cheating and attaching a bubble gum to our line? This is the same culprit who is now being accused of something. You understand? Because I saw her with the water being put into the bucket. I saw you. You are a thief. You are a thefter.
Sir, I do not condone the allegations that you guys are putting on my sister. I do not condone.
Stop lying.
Tesfa, don't say nothing to me.
The video is there.
You're a liar.
Listen. Listen. First of all, I believe my team should have won.
Listen to me, guys. Let me tell you. Because we didn't have with water.
The rule. Listen.
Yes, she said use the cup.
Use the cup and fill the bucket. But also,
where the cup and put the water in our mouth from? What is that?
Yes, but we used to. Listen, I did the same thing what you did, but here what the trick that I did. When I reach up and I throw the water, while my other teammate was going to get the water, I spit out the water out my mouth into my cup. So you see, I was smart, so they should have been disqualified.
Don't make the truth, man.
But you don't say the same thing when he said a while ago.
Let me tell the truth. So what I know now? What? 5, 4, where are you? Let me talk the truth, you know. So I see all the little cheating man over there, so full of them out of water here and there, all way and way. What me do, just take up my bucket and go to the pipe. I'm just hold that and carry what I'm going to say. Oh, you're not cheat hard, you're cheat smart.
Hold on.
Remember, when you reach my age, I come with call. I just don't be calling.
How the race I go? When you can team up, or when you make one person run it if you wish. Alright? You're going to use a cup, go to the basin that have in the water, scoop up the cup, and go back to your bucket. Move a bucket first full and empty back into that, win. So, your cup, go down, come back up, full your bucket full, go back down, empty it. From it empty, you win. Alright, let's go!
I can memorize that. Aye.
You know the big boss just went in front a while
Okay, so Chanel cup broke, so she have to get her next cup and the race have to go over again, alright? So this is the bartender road trip with their golf view, and you don't know the thing go. We're having fun. It's not Mocha Fest, but we're having fun. On your mark! Set! Go! Who disqualified? Who disqualified? Here with the ref one more time. Sir, what was the final score? What was the final score? Overall score with the teams?
Yeah, there was a tie. Two of the team had 90 each.
Yes. And the two teams were Go for Them and Killer Squad.
Yeah, that's correct.
So we had to have a tiebreaker.
Yeah, we have to make a decision.
What was the tiebreaker? What event did they have to do to break it?
It was beer drinking.
A beer drinking competition.
Beer, yeah.
All right. So what we're going to do now is have our viewers see who actually won this section.
Correct.
So Killer Squad versus Go for Them. Watch this now. On your mark. Set. Go.
Professional bartender ticket.
Everybody say bartender. I just want to say, I'm the team leader. People always want to
I have a personal security. There me knows a personal security there. You see it?
So first of all, me not drink beer. Drug onto me thing. Second of all, a woman is designed to swallow. Better than a man. So the swallowing thing is not my thing. You know thing. So when she comes and put the beer back in her mouth, she almost want the whole beer back up. You understand? Me lose. So me comes and proves and say that, me say, you know what? Make she have it. Make she have it.
We speak to the winner of the beer drinking contest. So, Tesfa said there are a couple of reasons why you win, because you're designed to swallow. Is that the sound of a sore loser, or does he have a point?
Sore loser, but at times I have to take one for the team, which I did, so my team can win.
Okay.
Last place. Not your time.
Okay, so how does it feel to be the overall winner of the Bartender Sports Day?
It's a great feeling and a wonderful team. Team go for them. Team go for them. Team go for them. Alright, wonderful team.
Respect. And people should know that you are an original bartender.
Yes, I am. I'm certified.
You are a certified bartender.
Yes, I am.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Certified bartender should drink one beer.
And you know, every day Tesfa is by the bar. It always drinks beer.
Lie.
So when them start going against Tesfa, I said, okay,
Lie,
you might not win.
I drink dragon. Everybody knows me because I dragon music.
I am the one that
But
serves.
team
So
go
I
for them.
know what
You know what?
to
You know what? The next thing. Our team go for them win, and them have the organizer upon them side.
Oh God, let's not come with that, man.
Them have the organizer upon them team. Them cheating, you know. Them have it's something go wrong. Organizer upon them team, and the wife of the referee is also on them team. Sound alright?
Me not trust.
We not trust them. We not trust the ref.
Me not trust the official.
We not trust the organizer.
Me not trust 5. That's why me like 6:30. Me not trust none of them, brother. Because what's a style of them on the race? Of them get everything. Of them make the race. Of them build the sports there. Them get ref. No matter make it ref a piece of food and it can't.
I want to thank you all for watching the Bartender Sports Day, and we also want to thank Golf View for hosting us. Yes, so remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, make a friend, tell a friend, and a friend, tell another friend. Say, go up on the Xpressionz JA YouTube channel and subscribe. Bartender, come.
Everybody say, Bartender.